Hello, and thank you for watching this video tutorial. What we're gonna do now is to create a Google account. To do this, we need to open our browser, internet browser. Then we're going to we need to click on gmail.com. I think there is another Google account connected right now. So we're going to check. Okay, there is no another. We're going to create a new account. We can click on create new account, and let's to create new account again. This will be account for me. Okay, I'm going to do this account with my second name and my second last name. The name of the user will be Antonio Davila 982. Now we're going to create a password. And we need to retype the password here in order to confirm that both password match. Well, let's see. And yes, the password match. Now we're going to add the telephone number. Well, this is optional, and also an email is optional for recovery. Well, we're going now to type your day, your month, and the year of birth, and add the gender is male. Okay, now we're going to click in the bottom, in the blue button would say next. Okay, this will take us to the terms and conditions of Google account. We have to read all this carefully, but now I just creating this account as example, so I will accept all the regulation from Google. And I think that the email should be created right now. Let's see. Okay, loading my Gmail account, and the Gmail is created right now. So we should have received one email of a welcome received from from Google. Actually it's empty, but in any moment we will receive it. We will receive it as a confirmation. And we have many applications of Google, like YouTube, for example. If you want to add your YouTube account here, you can add it. This is the Gmail also, and you can save your contacts and save some stuff in. Okay, understand? Well, I think this is all. This video was just to know how to create a Google account, and I think we're finished now. So I think that's it. That's all, and thank you.